Okay, so today's lesson is 10.9, volume of cylinder. So you'll notice today's lesson is very similar to yesterday's lesson. You still have the same formula. Volume of cylinder is V is equal to capital BH. All of volume this is going to use the same formula. The only thing that changes is the capital B. You'll notice the capital B for today is the area of the base, which is, remember, a cylinder has a circle, so to find area of a circle is pi r squared. So yesterday you used capital B as BH or 1/2 BH because of parallelogram and triangle. So today you have a circle, so your formula is going to be pi r squared for capital B. And of course h is the height of the cylinder. So let's look at the first problem. So number one, we're going to say it has a radius of 3 meters and the height of the cylinder is 8 meters. Okay, so formula, you still write V is equal to capital BH. Every single formula is going to be capital BH, but now off to the side you have to tell me what capital B stands for. So V is equal to, well, capital B, remember, we are replacing it with pi r squared because it's the area of the circle is what we're looking for, times h. Now here you're going to replace your V is equal to, replace pi with 3.14 times r, which is the radius, times 3 squared, times the height, which is 8. Now you just have numbers. Order of operation tells us that we have to do 3.14 times 3 squared is 9 times 8. Multiplication is a commutative property, so you can change it or any way around and you'll still get the same answer. So personally for me, I multiply 9 times 8, which is 72. So V is equal to 3.14 times 72. And then off to the side, if I multiply 3.14 times 72, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6, add a 0. 7 times 4 is 28, carry the 2. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 more is 9, and 7 times 3 is 21. Add up my numbers, and I get V is equal to 226.08 meters, and then remember volume is always cubed. Okay, let's look at problem number 2. So problem number 2, we're going to give you the diameter. So we're going to say that the diameter of this circle is 4 centimeters and the height of the cylinder is 12 centimeters. Remember, because we give you the diameter, we only need the radius. And radius is only half of the diameter. So that means that you have to take 4, divide that by 2, and you'll get 2 centimeters. And this 2 is what we need, not the 4. And now you should be able to solve this exactly like number 1. So go ahead and try that on your own, and when you're ready, you can push play. All right, so you should have wrote V is equal to capital BH. You should have told me what capital B, replacing capital B was, so V is equal to pi r squared times h. Then you have V is equal to 3.14. R is, remember, we're using 2 centimeters, not 4. So it'll be 2 squared times height is 12. Then you have V is equal to 3.14 times 4 times 12. Now for me, I multiply 4 times 12, so be V is equal to 3.14 times 48. And then if I multiply that, 3.14 times 48, 4 times 4, 8 times 4 is 32, carry the 3, 8 times 1 is 8, is 11, 8 times 3 is 24, is 25, add a 0, 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 more is 5, and 4 times 3 is 12. Add them up, let's see, this is 4, 5, 1, and I get the answer of V is equal to 150.72 centimeters cubed. Make sure you don't forget the 3. All right, last one to try on your own, and then you should have it. So here, we're going to say that the radius is 6 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters. Go ahead and try that on your own, and when you're ready, you can push play. All right, so you should have written V is equal to capital BH. Replace the capital B with V is equal to pi r squared times h. Then you have V is equal to 3.14 times 6 squared times 4. So V is equal to 3.14. 6 squared is 36 times 4. And 36 times 4, 3.14. 36 times 4 is 144. Then if I multiply 3.14 times 144, 4 times 4 is 16, is 5 is 12. Same thing. This is 4, 1, and 3. Add them up. 11, 9, 10, 11, 12. And my numbers are not. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get the answer of V is equal to 452.16 centimeters cubed.